Welcome everyone to my new Lucid Trading prop firm video. Today we're gonna take care about their Lucid Maxx product. How about no payout caps and daily payouts? Think about something like it's just insane, guys. So Lucid Maxx is their new product. I'd like to explain you how it works with all the things needed. And of course, if you still have questions, let me know in the comments area. Feel free to join our Discord community, prop firm and traders community out here on Discord for free. The link is in the comments area and description area. This is the place where a lot of the great traders gather, including our daily live stream from the YouTube channel, 8 a.m. EST time. We're doing daily giveaways for free, including Lucid accounts we're sharing daily, guys. So Lucid Maxx. Well, you guys might be wondering, why is it not possible to be purchased? Could be one of your questions, or how you can access this product, because it's not listed here. It's certainly not listed there, and I'd like to tell you why. Lucid Maxx is our exclusive evaluation to live daily payout plan reserved for our most consistent and profitable traders, right? So this is reserved only for a certain category of people that achieve a certain status. That status is called Lucid Maxx status. You have to first become a Lucid Maxer and achieve that Lucid Maxx status in order for these new Lucid Maxx products to be available for you to be purchased from your account, right? So once you're into your dashboard and your account, you will be able to see this product here, right there. Once you click on an account, you will be able to see those products listed there. And obviously, you're going to get an email once you're on a Lucid Maxx status and all that stuff. But let me explain you guys, why is it like this? What's the benefit and what's the purpose of this whole procedure? This plan is certainly not available to general public. It can only be purchased by traders who have earned Lucid Maxx status through demonstrated performance. Lucid Maxx is built to offer instant live capital with daily uncapped payout potential. So you have an evaluation phase, you pass the evaluation phase, and you move directly to live capital with daily payouts, and they are uncapped. Think about it. This is a model of evaluation to live, not evaluation to funded, like a sim funded, like we're used to be, or direct instant funded, right? No, evaluation to live. And the live account is daily payouts, and they're not capped. So if you're making $5,000 in a day, you're taking your $5,000 out. So one of the things that should concern and bother you should be, how do you achieve this Lucid Maxx status in order to have access to this product? So this is reserved for traders who demonstrate exceptional consistency and profitability. Our quantitative risk team uses defined performance criteria to identify traders who qualify. Once a trader meets the required benchmarks, they will be notified directly via email, and they will be granted access to purchase Lucid Maxx evaluation. Right, so you will be able to buy these evaluations once you deserve it. In other words, Lucid Maxx status is earned, not requested. Keep that in mind, guys. How is it earned? Well, you need to have a good trading performance in your accounts. You should not take advantage of the Lucid products and just start milking the system if you're in a such situation. So you just have to continue trading properly as a trader normally. And at some point, you qualify for having a Lucid Maxx status. That's what you gotta do, guys. You have to trade properly, normally, go for your targets, go for your payouts, and the more consistent, the better trader you are, the more payouts you're taking. You're making money in the meantime while you qualify for a Lucid Maxx status. So it's not something that is actually blocking your journey or procedure in any form. It's something additional that comes with a great performance, right? So Lucid Maxx benefits, and we're speaking about the product right now, have the daily payouts, no payout caps. So think about it. You made $5,000 in a day because you don't have caps, you don't have consistency, right? You can take it out up to 5 accounts. So it's not just a single account. You're indeed going with live capital, up to 5 accounts. That's something impressive, guys. And you will see something even more interesting soon. No daily loss limits, end of the day drawdown model, and instant live capital. The evaluation rules are the following for the products. You have a profit target, a max loss, and these levels are the industry standards. Basically, we're speaking about the 6%, right? 6%, 6%, 6%, and 5% for the 25K. Then we have the 6% target. We have the max losses that are pretty much the same, like the Lucid Flex, for example. We have 40% consistency, which is very convenient for the evaluation stage. We do not have, obviously, consistency when we have no payout caps and daily payouts on the live stage, because like I told you, this is not having a funded stage. This is evaluation to live. And then it's required basically 5 trading days for the evaluation stage. And then you can basically, I mean, that's great, 5 trading days for the minimum. You divide, it's less than $2,000 a day. You're right there if you're going for the target and for the bigger accounts. To pass the evaluation, the profit target must be achieved, the consistency needs to be respected, and the minimum trading days, right? So there's 3 simple things: avoiding the max loss. You don't have a daily loss limit, keep that in mind too. Once passed, the trader transitions directly to a live account. The live account drawdown is the same as the standard Lucid live structure. Live payout structure. Uncapped daily payouts, no payout windows, daily payouts requests, and that's insane, guys. There are no profit minimums. Once you're live, you can just take minimums as well. Not 500 like we have in the other cases of the evaluation and funded stages. The Lucid Maxx cycle. The goal is to create a pathway for consistent traders to stay with the Lucid long term. Lucid Maxx is designed as a repeatable cycle. And that's something I wanted to reach out. If a trader earns profits above the live drawdown, demonstrates ability to earn live profits. There's no limit to how many times a trader may return to the Lucid Maxx evaluation and attempt to qualify again, provided risk standards are maintained. Very important to know, guys. Very, very important to know. So, let's say you got 5 Lucid Maxx products, you pass the evaluation, you're moved to live. With all the 5, you lost them. What's happening? Well, it depends how you lost them. Will basically decide it on your situation. You are part of the cycle and you're having the ability to continue repurchasing Lucid Maxx evaluations, or you're going to receive a cooldown period. Lucid Maxx traders who earn profits above the live drawdown receive a reduced 2-week cooldown period before re-entering the evaluation. However, traders who repeatedly fail to clear drawdown, traders engaging in reckless or YOLO trading, right? That's what I wanted to reach out here. I mean, you guys might think about, let me just trade nicely and create my profile of trader right here on Lucid in order to have a Lucid Maxx status, and then with the most Lucid Maxx status I start buying evaluations, and then I become funded, and then guess what? I got no payout cap, and then I had no consistency with daily payouts. So I'm gonna YOLO max contracts at the opening and make $8,000 in 2 minutes, take that money out and try to do it tomorrow again. If it's not working, not an issue, because the next day I'm going to buy some more evaluations and I'll repeat the process. No, it's not going to be good, guys. That's exactly YOLO model of trading, and that's certainly not the realistic way on how to build this. Obviously, there is a possibility to receive an extended cooldown. However, you might lose your Lucid Maxx status if you are going to just blindly start gambling and trade different than you've been trading to qualify for that status, right? So do not expect and do not think these guys have no capability to monitor and evaluate, or these guys are stupid, because they're not, right? So if you're taking advantage, you're actually taking advantage of something for once or twice, and then it's not going to work for the long term. And the potential for the long term here, this is the place, guys, the potential for the long term here to make a crazy amount of money. Now you need that status, and of course then you got to trade continuously like you've been trading to that point, because that's why you're receiving the status to continue like that. It means you don't have to change the way you're trading. You're good to go like that. That's what it means. Perfect, guys. That's where we are. This is the way it works, right? So we don't know the prices. They have not been published here. The prices, it's not really available, right? We don't know the prices, and depends, of course, on the discounts, depends on the campaigns, depends on those details. But one thing is very clear: you have to qualify for this status. It's basically earned is cannot be requested, cannot be purchased. It's static. You can day by the evaluations, of course, but this is a system that opens, I mean, we do know that some of the guys were taking advantage of the Lucid Flex accounts and saying making 10 grand a day because no consistency on the funded stage, and then just milking basically with $250 payouts, right? 250, making the minimum and taking advantage and qualifying for more and more payouts. That kind of behavior is not going to grant you Lucid Maxx status, for example. That kind of behavior by gaming the system in that form is not really going to allow you to become at some point a Lucid Maxx guy. And they're trying to eliminate that model of trading and, of course, help people to understand the necessity of consistently trading in their form and not just taking advantage of some situation contextually and making the most out of it, and then the whole thing is just going to disappear. So simply, that model is not sustainable. That's the problem behind it. That's where we are, guys. That's pretty much all about it. Thank you so much. Make sure to use the coupon code SCRAMBLE to grab your accounts. Maximum discount at any point, at any moment for Lucid Pro, Lucid Flex, Lucid Directs. There's been some updates for these products, and I'm going to make a new video for that, right? So I'm going to make a separated video. That's pretty much all on Lucid Maxx. That's what you need to know, guys. Once you qualify, you're going to be notified on email. Till that time, just keep trading normally, do your best, and qualify for payouts. This is the most important thing, guys. Maximum discount right there. Join our Discord community for free. Feel free to join our daily live stream for free. Qualify for the giveaways. Have a great time and enjoy. This is a lovely place, guys. All the links and the coupon codes in the description area and comments area. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day. Like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.